Question 22, and this one states, if U and V are in V3, again, instead of all three numbers, instead of all triplets or in 3D, etc., then you'll have this right here, the magnitude of U dot V, or the absolute value, U dot V is less than the length of U vector times it by length of V, so less than or equal to. And this is actually true, and this is true because the geometric formula for the dot product includes a cosine function whose absolute value is at a maximum of 1. So in other words, yes, so dot product right here, A dot B is equal to the length A times length B times cosine theta. So what we have is, we're going to have, if you take the absolute value sign of the dot product, A dot B, this equals to the length A, length B, and these are all positive values. And then times it by, now we have an absolute value of cosine theta. So that this right here is at a maximum, is going to be less than or equal to 1. So it can't go anything above it. So in other words, this right here, this whole thing's going to be less than or equal to, because you can't have a, if it's, yeah, the only one, the highest it can be is if this equals to 1. So if it's equal to 1, then that's the maximum, and then anything less, you're multiplying it by a fraction, you're getting a smaller number. So in other words, it's going to be less than or equal to A dot B. I mean, yeah, A multiplied, I mean, A, length of A multiplied length of B. And again, this times by 1, that's the maximum, like that. Yeah, just leave it like that. Like this, and this is, yeah, true. So then the statement is true. Box this out as well, and here's box that out over there. So yeah, and here's at this line here, and also this is also known as the Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. So that's very interesting. The Cauchy, I think that's how you pronounce it, Cauchy-Schwarz inequality, and that's again this is right here. U dot V absolute magnitude is less than or equal to the U vector times V vector magnitudes. And so on. And this one's a bit more, this is a special case of it, but this is a more general one. You could click on the Wikipedia and have a look at that.